All right, I screwed up the recording here, but we're going to do a tour of the Hammond, Louisiana store. Let's check it out. All right, there's that classic setup we always see coming in. Oh, the compressors. I don't know. Is this a new setup? They don't even have display models. That's interesting. Let me go wide on this one. Well, we got most of the Merlin stuff. Again, those two SKUs are out again. We're missing a good one whole shelf there, basically. Some of the reels, but it's wild. So we're missing most of the displays. They got some stock. That's weird. That's weird. Wow, is this a distribution center? Look how big that back room is. All right, apparently they're redoing the compressor section, so there's that. Look at that nice display on the G2 ratchets. This is all the new stuff. Good stock on that. Look at, they even have the display. And of course you can come up. Look at that. That's cool. I like that. We got all the nailers, plenty of stock there. We got the paint supplies, the wet dry vacs, appropriate for today. Good stock on that. Let's see what else we got. Well, we're looking good in the outdoor equipment. Let's go check out the cabinets. Got good cabinets here. There we go. Well, that's all looking good. Let's swing around here. Come up here. We got the gray. Of course, the gray always looks better in person than it does on camera. But, I mean, you're talking about good stock. They got about everything you could want here. That's looking pretty good. Let's keep going. All right, sockets on sockets. We got all the impacts. Of course, those are sold out because they just were part of that sale. So, of course, they're going to have to replenish on those. Let's go over here. We got the floor jacks and whatnot. Oh, looky there. Let's come on through. We got some missing SKUs, but still a lot of stock. That's pretty good. Oh, there's the Icon wrenches. They got plenty of them. They're looking good there. And the accessories. And we even have the new purple accessories. They got a ton of those. I was hoping to find one of these ones you guys are all talking about where everything's out of stock, but I missed it on this one. They got everything. And there's the new Yukon. You know, I like this thing. I think I'm gonna get two of these for my new backdrop area with the soft close. Hard not to like that. Now, a lot of people are asking, what's the difference between these two? Because this is bigger and it's essentially more, you know, the same price, $360 versus $330, not including the sale price. But the reality is, internal storage, this and that are exactly the same. Here's the difference. You get the hard rubber mat versus the rubber wood top. And then the drawers here, you know, well, this is a display, so they're not soft close. And then the shallow drawers are just basically for actual tool kind of setup. This just is a better setup than those, in my opinion. We got the Bauer. Now with the drawers, I love this drawer system. Oh, gotta unlock it. There we go. Great new drawer system. Big, deep compartment system there. Man, a few more and this will be a rock star system. Lighting looks like it's got good stock. We got solar over there, electrical, all the parts there, everything else. When you see me duck like this, I'm trying to avoid customers. You know, I'm trying not to film customers as much as we can. Some people are asking about the woodworking stuff. There's the new Bauer scroll saw. Look at that for $279. Of course, the Hercules planer and the Bauer planer, we worked on that. Well, the Hercules. There's the sanders down there. And we got right here both the band saws, the desktop and the new one. That's nice. Let me see if it's got, yeah, you got the tension release right there. That's a nice setup. All right, we got all the Doyle vices, the drill presses, And of course, well, the cement mixers. But look at that. They even have on display. And I don't see that a lot of places. It's a dust collector kind of stuff. That's nice to see. Like that. We got some open box down here. That's a good buy. Look at that. That'd be a good pickup. I love this. I love the saw. I don't cut enough tile to justify it. Fantastic saw. So much fun. And let's do power tools. Man, it looks like everything is here. Again, same gap as the other store. Must have been a sale on that. But everything else is looking pretty good. Let's check batteries. We got batteries and chargers. Chargers and batteries. It's a 12 volt. Ratchets. We got a couple missing, but all in all, that's pretty good. This camping folding tables. And they said canvas. It's not like an old school kind of like wax canvas. This is like a new nylon kind of thing. Got the horizontal metal band saws, brake machine, and we got all the grinders. With most of the stock, I noticed the Hercules are out. That's a shame. Hercules is a good buy. And there's the Vulcan Outlaw. Of course, the jacks. And you see down below, plenty of stock. And you gotta love these colors, man. With the matching, there's no green. There's no green in the jack stands, not yet. I bet it comes soon. Well, all right, there we go. Met Andrew here at the local store. He's like, do I know you? I get that all the time. That and shaved head, I look like everyone's brother's cousin, so-and-so, but it was nice meeting him, nice meeting everyone. Real pleasant store, real nice folks there. We're on the road again. Which of course means you all take care, God bless. As always, shine on.